Hey, I'm Aparna Ganesh and I welcome you back to JoyGeeks. Now, if you're completely new here, please know we make tons of makeup and lipstick swatches. We celebrate it, in fact, and I give huge dollops of information on the skincare that I personally love as well. Because you know what? I'm over 40, in fact, I'm 43, and today's video is also one such skincare routine video, especially for anti-aging. This is by Saturn of GHC company. I'm very happy to use some of their products, Jade roller, stuff like that. I will take you through all of this. Just stay tuned. And before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, just take a second, subscribe on the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's go. So what I have today for you is something to really boost our skin up, okay? With everything that we're doing, I feel that, well, I don't have the time to go as much to parlors and I don't have the time for all of those facials. If you do, fabulous. But even if you do, I think what you can do by yourself to increase that blood circulation is a fab idea called a Jade roller. Now, I will tell you exactly how I've been using this and how this has been working for me. Number one, what I have been doing is I'm using this serum from Saturn by GHC. This is an anti-aging serum which has retinol, hyaluronic acid, arginine, niacinamide, vitamin C. So you can see it's a combination of all of this, and it is something that you just need a couple of drops of. Putting it all over my face, and it is quickly absorbing, so it doesn't give me that chip look and all of those things, which sometimes it's okay, but more often than not I prefer to have a matte finish. And then after I have kind of dabbed it, massaged it and felt really nice about that on my face, and the smell of this is very, very fresh as well. I like this lemony, I would say citrusy, something like that is what I feel when I, because of course of vitamin C, I'm sure that's how it feels like. I am using this Jade roller, which I think, you know, I took a long time to actually get onto this Jade roller thing because I thought ki pata nahi kya hoga, but actually when you use it, you realize that there is solid blood circulation. It's reducing the puffiness of the face. You know, I have puffiness under the eye and it is helping to reduce it. You need to use it at least twice a day, I feel, for it to really show results, and use it regularly for a couple of weeks and then you will see the results. I have definitely seen my skin getting better. I feel, you know, on the top layer of the skin when I'm doing this, it's really boosting my skin to look plumper, to look more radiant. And I like the fact that there are two sizes here. I find this is very efficient for the bigger areas of the face, and the smaller one is so cute, you know, under the eye, you know, on the sides, on your forehead, on the sides of your nose. All of these places, I feel that this has been working very well. You know, I feel that it will even work on the double chin that you may have. It will kind of massage that section and reduce the fat, which is lovely. It is meant to also improve collagen production, which is absolutely fabulous. And I feel that something like this is extremely relaxing. If any of you have tried this kind of a Jade roller, just mention to me in the comments how you feel. I feel that there is a lot of muscle tension in our face, you know, with all the things that's happening in our life. If you can use this, just like iron it out, you will have lesser wrinkles, is the feeling I have. I haven't used these rollers long enough, but I believe that when I'm doing it, I get a feeling that it is calming my skin. It is giving that circulation. So I think it's really good, and if you can play some nice music, put some candle on, you know, make that spark kind of a feel at home and go ahead with this. Even when you're watching TV or something, and the good thing, you know, I really like in this is that it's very travel friendly. That even when you're traveling, you can be doing this even in the flight or wherever, and it's very easy to carry, very, very efficient. So I will heavily recommend this. So let me tell you the benefits of the serum that I found. Because it's an anti-aging and it has all of these properties, it will take care of delaying and diminishing the fine lines and the wrinkles that we have. We all want to have that glowful youthful glow, no matter what our age is. So you could definitely go ahead and use this because of all of these properties they have in this. The good thing with GHC is that they have free consultations for your diet. They can give you meal plans. They can give you personalized health and diet and fitness plans, and you can also download their app on your phone and you can get a lot of their services, which I think is quite nice for people who are looking for help and would like to try that out first. So you could go ahead and do that. They have this anti-aging combo which has these two products, and it also has this Gua Sha. Now a lot of you have been asking me about Gua Shas. These are also absolutely phenomenal. They have a very different usage. With this serum, I won't be able to use this because for Gua Sha, you should have something which is more slimy on the face, like a facial oil, which will allow you to drag this across your face without it stretching your skin. So I won't be able to demonstrate this on the serum right now, but it's fabulous because it really goes to the crevices, it goes to the nooks. Because of this shape here, it does a very, very good job, and I will heavily recommend for you to get this. So what the Gua Sha really does is lymphatic drainage is huge in this, because if I'll just show you here, even if I do this, and oh, it feels so nice when you use this. I use it actually on my neck because the pressure that you can put on a Gua Sha is very different than a roller. So I think both these are extremely helpful tools. When you use a nice serum like this, go ahead, use these tools, this tool, and this you can use when you add a facial oil or a moisturizer that stays slimy on the face, and you will really love how you can massage yourself with this. Even on, like this, you can just take it around, you can do this on your forehead. So it's quite multiple benefit wala product. You use all of these things, definitely the facial structure changes. I can vouch for that because I have been using this and I feel that the cuts look much better. If you use it regularly though, and you use it systematically, this will really do well for you. Of course, I believe great skincare routine involves drinking lots of water, getting great rest, and eating some ghar ka khana, with less oil, less spice. I think those are all also required along with this. I've always mentioned that, and a healthy dollop of some fitness exercise, whatever you like. I will tell you that I have been incorporating these things and it has given me a great results on my skin. If you like this, the way this looks, I know I've put on a little weight right now, but it's okay. This is how the body keeps changing. I'm working on it. And I think I'm very happy that these kind of products also help you to slim down the face. So all in all, let me know what you feel of these products, and the description will have more details. So please check that out. And I want you to tell me what is a product that really called out for you from this, how you're feeling about this. Hey, today's shout out goes to Meena Lavare. Thank you so much for so much love and always writing to us. Please keep that coming. Yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. I love bringing these videos to you and I hope you love this too. There is a shout out for you when you add in the comments, add #TeamJoyGeeks, and I would love to feature you in the video. Take care. Bye.